In today's digital landscape, search engine optimization, or SEO, is more than just a buzzword. It's an essential part of any successful online strategy. But how can you ensure that your SEO efforts are truly effective? The answer lies in making data-driven decisions. In this video, we'll explore how to enhance your SEO through a careful analysis of data, turning insights into action. First, let us understand why data is crucial in SEO. SEO isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Each website is unique, and so are its visitors. Data provides insights into what's working and what isn't, helping you tailor your SEO strategy to align with real user behavior. By looking at data, you can move beyond assumptions and work on strategies that deliver measurable results. The journey begins with data collection. Tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console are indispensable. Google Analytics provides a comprehensive view of your traffic, highlighting which pages are performing well. Meanwhile, Google Search Console gives insight into how your site appears in search results, showing you the keywords that bring users to your site, as well as any issues that may affect its search performance. Once you've gathered your data, it's time to dig deeper. One critical step is to analyze your keywords. Identify which keywords are driving the most traffic and which pages they are linked to. Are these keywords relevant to your content and your business goals? If not, consider revisiting your keyword strategy. Additionally, look at your competitors. Tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs can offer visibility into your competitors' keywords, allowing you to uncover opportunities you might have missed. Another crucial aspect is understanding your audience. Analyze the demographics and behaviors of your website visitors. Are you reaching your target audience? If not, it may be time to adjust your content to better meet their needs. Remember, engaged users are more likely to convert, and understanding your audience can greatly enhance user engagement with your site. Next, examine your site's technical performance. Data can reveal essential insights like your site's loading speed and mobile friendliness, two critical factors search engines consider when ranking sites. A slow or non-responsive site can lead to high bounce rates, negatively impacting your SEO. Use tools such as Page Speed Insights to identify areas in need of improvement. Finally, don't forget about content analysis. Look at metrics such as time on page and bounce rate to gauge how well your content is resonating with users. If visitors aren't staying long, it might be time to refresh your content or adjust your headlines to be more engaging. Consider A/B testing different versions of your pages to see which performs better. In conclusion, making data-driven decisions is not a one-time task, but a continuous process. By regularly analyzing the wealth of data available, you can fine-tune your SEO strategy, ensuring it remains effective in driving traffic and achieving your business goals. By leveraging data, you not only enhance your SEO, but also foster a better experience for your users, an essential component in building a successful online presence. So embark on this data journey and transform insights into action for your SEO enhancement.